Good day everyone! Today, we will going to talk about the SQL alter table command. So what is an alter table command? The alter table command is a data definition language or DDL command, which means it works with the structure of tables instead of working with the data or records inside the tables. It can be used to add, delete, or modify columns in a table. Now, we will going to discuss the first alter table command, which is the add column. So what is the usage of add column? Add column is basically adding a new column to an existing table. We can use this if we want to extend the structure of a table by adding a new field. Adding a new field allows us to store more information related to the existing data in a table or to adapt on changing requirements without having to recreate the entire table. This is the syntax that we will use. So now, as we can see that the new field has added in the table. And now let's us proceed to the next alter table command, which is the drop column. So what is the drop column? Drop column is a command that is used to remove a column from an existing table. This command permanently deletes the specified columns along with the data contains, so we should use this with cautions as it can result a data loss. For example, we have here a table called student info and we want to remove the email column. Now, we are going to use this type of syntax. Again, use Tuesday or database name then execute. Then, alter table and the table name student info then drop column and our column name email. Then, execute. Now, let's us proceed to the third command, which is the rename column. This statement allows us to exchange structure of an existing table by renaming one of its columns. This is the syntax that we are going to use. We want to change the date of birth to just birthday. And this is what it should look like. Again, use Tuesday or database name, then execute. Then execute store procedure, then our table name student info dot our old name date of birth, then comma, then our new name birth date, then comma, then column, then semicolon. Take note, it is important to include single string to our character value because they help the database system differentiate between the strings and the other type of data like numeric values or keywords. Now, as we can see that the column name, date of birth changed into just birth date. And now, we are going to proceed to our last command, which is the alter or modify data type. So why do we need to modify our data type? In modifying data types, we can ensure the database structure aligns with the needs of the application, maintaining data integrity, and optimizes performance and storage. The syntax varies slightly depending on the database system that you are using, but the basic structure is still similar. In this case, we are using the SQL Server. So this is the syntax that we are going to use. Let's say, for example, the data type in your first name column is varchar50, And now you want to update the data type in your column into varchar 100. So the syntax should look like this. Again, use Tuesday or database name, then execute. Then alter table or table name, student info, then alter column name or column name, first name, then our data type varchar 100. Now, the data type in your column name first name has changed into varchar 100. It's not visible, but it means you can store more character in this column than usual.